Yeah. TikTok, this up. You look fat, this up. Me love your curve, them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys could see from my title, in today's video, we're doing a contact lens review. So the company Solotica was kind enough to send over some contact lens for me to review. Wanna know me and this contact lens story and the best of friends, because the last video was a struggle. My eyes were watering as hell, like they were watering. Me and contact lens ain't the best of friends, but they really loved that video that I did of the contact lens review and wanted me to review their company, so we're going to do that. I must say I am in love with the packaging. I had this over like 3 months now, to be honest. This video is well overdue and I haven't opened the package or anything, but based on just the box alone, this is like good quality and like the colors colorful. I really like that. So let me go ahead and open the box. Whoa. Okay, so this is what it's looking like inside. Very colorful. I really love the purple, you know, it gives them that tropical vibe, that Hawaii type of vibe. So it came with some stickers. This is so cool. Some stickers. Okay, so this pamphlet is basically how to insert and how to remove your contact lens. So this is what the lens are looking like. I think they sent over, well, this is 6 pairs of lens. So they sent over 6 pairs of lens. So the first lens that we're going to try is called Beliza Gray. I don't know how this is going to work out, to be honest, because I have on nails, I have on makeup, I have on lashes. Me are the best when it comes to putting contact lens. The contact lens ain't no friends at all, so we're gonna try and make this work. Again, this is Beliza Gray, so you guys could see. These ones don't come with the applicator, so you have to try your best to put them on. So let's see. It's so hard to open though. I don't like that. Let me go ahead and put these in. I'm so scared. Oh my god. No. Alright, so this is what it's looking like with just one eye in comparison to my natural eye color. I really love this color. Oh my god! Really love it. So let me go ahead and put in the next lens, because honestly I could see with these. The first set I could not see at all. Like it's crazy. It feels like I don't have anything in my eye. Like it's not irritating. My eyes is watering. Wow. I'm gonna wear these to work. Okay, so this is how the lens is looking like once both of them are in. It's not uncomfortable, honestly. I can see it's not blurry or what do you call it, hazel. Like I could actually see myself. I could go about wearing these lenses without any problem. I'm really digging this. Like this is so cute, different. So again, the name of these lenses are Beliza Gray from Solotica. Very cute, very nice. Loving this one. Okay, so the next lens that we have is called Dandara Hazel. The packaging is cute. It's the same thing as the first one. So let me go ahead and open it to see the actual lens itself. This is what the lens itself is looking like in the package with the solution. So let me go ahead and insert this one to show you guys the comparison, you know, alongside my natural eye color. This is really cute. Oh my god, I really love this one. What is this called again? Dandara Hazel. This is my fave. This one is my fave. So this is what it's looking like in comparison to my dark brown eyes. I really love it. That one I can pass. This one looks very natural. You could definitely wear it like every day, because it's giving like that natural look. And I must say it's not blurry at all. I don't feel like I have in contact lens at all. So yeah, this is cute. Let me pop in the next one just to show you guys how the both of them look in. Okay, so this is what it's looking like once both of them are in. Very natural. very comfortable, I must say. These are so comfortable, I cannot stress it enough. It's literally so thin that you could barely feel it. Okay, so 2 down, 4 more to go. My eyes are already watering because you know the constant in and out, in and out, in and out thing. That's gonna make your eye water. If you guys are probably just wearing it like one, just to like, you know, for seeing purpose or for fashion or whatever, it won't irritate your eyes, won't be red. But once you are putting them one after the other, one after the other, your eyes are going to irritate you. Alright, so the next lens is called Amazonia Green. Sounds interesting. So let me open it so we could see what Amazonia looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to pop these in. Wow, these are nice. Oh my god, and even though they are green, like it's not like an outrageous green, it's not something that you can't wear. These are so nice, and it doesn't feel like I have a contact lens. Like honestly speaking, I don't feel like I'm wearing lens. Like I could see so good, like I could see so clearly. Impossible, impossible. Okay, so the both of them are in, and this is how it's looking like. It's very natural, even though it's green. It doesn't give that like, whoa, she having green lens, you know. Guys, my eyes are watering, you know. Like I think this is it for my eyes, but I'm still going to see how much more I could put on before like it's really, you know, bad. I had a really hard time taking that one out just now, and I feel like I pinched my eyeball instead of taking it out. But I'm gonna fix my makeup and I'm gonna do the rest. It's 3 more left to go, so let me see how much more I could do before giving up, before my eyes give up, as a matter of fact, not me. Okay, so I took a quick little break to like give my eyes a break from all of this and to fix up my makeup because my eyes were running. My eyes hated me for a second. So I'm back. So that was what color that was again? That was Amazonia Green. Definitely going to be one of my faves. I'm going to put this up somewhere close because I think I'll be wearing it pretty soon. So the next shade that we have is Kombucha Green. Kombucha Green sounds like it's the next green lens. Let me see. It's the next green. This is more of like a light green color. So let me just pop it in so we could see the comparison between the two. Okay, so this is what it's looking like in comparison to my dark brown eyes. This green is kinda, it's a tad bit dramatic for me, but at the same time it's very comfortable. I cannot stress this enough. Like the lens are so thin and like I could literally see. Okay, so this is what the both of them look like once they're in. It's just a tad bit too dramatic for me. It's green, but it's not like a shocking green, but it's still too much for me. Okay, so 4 down, 2 more to go. So the next color that we have is Aurora Blue. I am very iffy about this. You never see it but blue. Like, come on. Okay, cute. Let me put them in. Okay, my eyes are about to, whoa, this ain't me. This is not me. This is not me. This is too dramatic for me. Yeah, I think my eyes had enough 5 lenses already. Oh yeah, she definitely had enough. Okay, this is way too dramatic for me, but this is what it's looking like in comparison to my natural eyes. Not me, definitely won't be wearing these. For me, I honestly rather to keep it natural, but I'm going to pop in the next one just to show you guys the comparison, just in case you like these type of lens and I can't get it. I look like a real life face with these lenses in. Not digging them, not me. If I don't like them, I guess you guys could cop them, but enough for me. Okay, so the last one that we have is called Beliza Gray. This seems like it's so more on like the natural side, so let me try it out and see what it looks like. I honestly can't remember choosing these lengths. I think they just probably just send me a bunch of random, because if I was supposed to choose these, I would not choose these colors. So definitely them send random lengths just to showcase them. As I said, this is called Beliza Gray. Let me go ahead and put it in. This is what Beliza Gray is looking like. It's kind of dramatic for me too, but it's not as dramatic as the previous two. I like it. What do you guys think? Okay, so wow, this is cute. This one is cute. This one is actually cute. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Again, it's Beliza Gray. I am feeling this one. Won't wear it every day, but like, you know, for like an outing, I'd probably wear it. It's cute. Let me know what you guys think about this one, because even though it kind of look a little bit dramatic, it's still cute. Okay guys, so that's it for all 6 of the lenses. My favorite is definitely Bossa Nova Gray. The first two, I really dig the first two. We just went kind of downhill from that with the dramaticness, but the first two were more natural for me, and like I would definitely wear them, you know, out and all of that. But I really love them. I must say these lenses are very comfortable. As I said, I cannot stress that enough. I could literally see. It's not blurry. Even though my eyes are irritated, I could still see. Like, I could see. So yeah, make sure to comment down below and let me know which one of these lenses are your favorite. Which one would you wear? Let me know if you guys are a fan of like bright colored lens, because some people like it actually. Some people really will wear colored lens like every day, like it's no problem. Like, I cannot. I have to wear something more natural, more subtle if I'm going to wear a lens. But I'll have all lens linked below in the description box alongside my discount code, so you guys can get some money off on your purchase. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.